ကိုလိန်စော့နေတဲ့ player တိုင်းကြိုက်ကြတဲ့ Kera ရဲ့ B2 နဲ့ Skylar ရဲ့ B2 ဘယ်သူရဲ့ B2 ကပို့ပြီးတော့ကောင်းမလဲ
Fight, it is Uranus being able to deal out all of that, but look at that.
Skylar reads it out. He going to executing flickers out of it. Oh my God, Skylar! What in the world was that? No trades. 7K gold lead.
Uh-oh. But while all that was happening, Bigatron Alpha has actually pushed that lane in the top side. But what?
Okay. Skylar, what are you? What in the world is going on? He flickers forward, man. What is he going to be able to do right now? He's going to be able to bang it. All right. Skylar.
Or other opportunities, such as in the top lane, as if that's a pretty good start. No, Kera! No way! No!
Talaga. Ito na yung pinaka-abang ng Blacklist. Pero ngayon, nandito na si Renzo to the rescue. Kaso ka lang yung blade. Ang sakit! Nandito yung pasok, pero makukuha ang kill of Jemir. A double kill coming from Kelra. Ngayon, inuubos ka ng mga miyembro sa triple kill. Di makakuha ng Lord, and that's it. We have Omega securing the Lord. Maniac para kay Kelra. Let's see what is happening. Ito sa sniper niya. Nakatutok lang. Pero ngayon,
ကဲဒါသာတို့အနေနဲ့ဆိုရင်ရောဒီ B2 player နှစ်ယောက်ထဲကဘယ်သူရဲ့ B2 player ကိုပို့ပြီးတော့ကြိုက်ကြလဲဗျ comment မှာ man ခဲ့ကြပါဦးဗျာ